I committed a one-night stand. What's up mga bugoy? Welcome to a new episode of the Bugoy Late Night Talks. Before we start, I would like to thank you all for the warm love and support for these vlogs. You make us more encouraged to do more vlogs in the future. And so thank you so much. Anyways, my partner is here again, Erica, to help me talk about a very complicated topic, and the topic is all about cheating. Can cheating be justified? Is there a good reason to cheat? Is there a good reason to cheat?
Well, as you said, it's a complicated topic, but actually the answer is very simple. There's no good reason to cheat. It cannot be justified.
Even if your reason is your partner is losyang, unattractive, or there's no physical attraction anymore, still, there's no good reason to cheat. There's something lacking on you, so don't blame your partner. It's always on you.
Yeah, because you don't have anymore that attraction.
Exactly.
But like, it's still your partner. You know, you grew up and you changed and you developed with that person. So like, you've seen everything that has like been going on in their life, and you should still be, you know, like thankful and attracted to that person that you love.
Most probably you're one of the reasons why she's being losyang or unattractive. So maybe to all chismosas out there, also stop doing this victim blaming that maybe her partner left her or cheated on her because she's losyang, hindi na siya maganda. So stop that shit.
Don't put the pressure on the victim. Like, it is the fault and responsibility of the person, the partner, to make sure that love is still alive and attraction is still alive. It's actually both ways. But you know, if it's something lacking in you, then you look for it within your relationship, not outside the relationship.
Or maybe could be your reason also that your partner is taking you for granted. Again, no, don't cheat. There's always a way to fix together what is something lacking on you. So you can fix it together and like rebuild and like
work as a team.
Work as a team.
Everything is gonna be easy if you work as a team. Like, you can just be honest. You can just say that you take me for granted. I feel that like, you know, you don't love me as much as before. And then how can we fix it? How can I feel better about this? Because I lack this affection. And then
and maybe your reason also, that's why they're, you know, they are taken for granted, or maybe they're losyang or unattractive or lack of physical attraction. Maybe because like your partner also is cheated, that's why you cheated too. Like
your partner cheated.
The partner cheated, that's why you cheated.
Well, that's a different story. If like your partner has cheated, that's why you don't feel loved and you don't feel attracted anymore, then well, you can't fix a mistake by a mistake. You can't put out fire with fire.
So from the first place, you should have break up. Because I mean, that's what you said, like it's the fire.
The fire. Yeah, you can't fix a mistake.
You can't fix a mistake by a mistake.
Because even in happy relationships, they also cheat. Like, I have known a lot of happy couples where like one of them is like doing something behind the other person's back. So it's not really the partner's fault why that person cheated. It's just something is lacking, and this is what I noticed also in most cheaters. Like something is lacking, whether they lack attraction, they lack affection, they lack financial. They lack like the feeling of being
midlife crisis.
The feeling of being masculine or pretty or whatever.
Just to make sure it stands still.
That's the common ground of cheaters. There's something lacking in them, so they just can't blame their partner for the things that they don't have, or they don't know how to find responsibly.
Exactly. And what about like, what if, okay? It's just situational. What if I committed a one-night stand and then you found it out? So what are you going to do about that?
Are you sure it's a what if?
Yeah, it's a what if. It's a situational, I said.
Okay. I keep on telling you that I'm gonna ghost you once I find out that you cheated, because I don't wanna deal with it.
Yeah.
But I guess if we are already in a stable relationship where breakup is a very difficult option, I guess I would have to talk to you. I mean, I'm gonna deal with the problem, and the problem is something is lacking in you. Because for sure, I'm already mature enough to know that like in this kinds of situations, it's not me who's the problem. And I'm already secured by that fact that I'm not gonna dwell on what's kulang with me. Why did he cheat? Am I not beautiful? Am I not like this, like that? So I'm ready to take the problem head on and talk to you and ask, what made you cheat? What led to this? And it will also take courage from your part to tell me why and what happened. So if you say that you're drunk, okay, so since you're drunk and you got like you lost your control and you did it, the next time you can't drink, or those things. Or like if he says that because I felt so lonely, you were at work always, I was at work always, then okay, next time, like if you feel lonely, then I'll be there for you. And just talk about it and fix things and move forward with solution at hand.
I think I can cheat just once because we can still talk about it.
Try it. And that's just because I'm saying that's not for everyone. That's not applicable for everyone. Not all couples have that kind of understanding already.
Exactly.
But for us, if we are already in a point where I can't break up with you, or it's gonna be expensive to break up with you, then okay, talking is cheaper.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
So
bottom line,
cheating can't be justified. There's no good reason to cheat, but there's always a reason. But again, it's not a good reason. And if something is locking on you, there's always a way to fix it. Fix it together with your partner. And then if it can't be fixed, then there's always a proper way to break up. Just don't cheat, because it will hurt them physically, mentally, financially. Financially, yes. Alright.
If you enjoyed this video,
if you enjoyed this video and if you want to be us to be more specific, please comment down on our video and we'll try to talk more. Alright.
Thank you for watching.
And see you again to my new episode, on the next episode of the Bugoy Late Night Talks. Bye!